Hello, in front of me I have HUAWEI Watch GT 3 Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to set up the alarm clock on this device. Let's start by waking up the screen on our watch. To wake up the screen on our watch, simply press the upper button. After you wake up the screen, swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel, and on this panel you should see the alarm icon. Tap on it to enter the alarm menu, and right here we can set up the alarm clock. First, let's tap on the Add Alarm button to add new one, and here we can set the time. So we can set the hours by swiping up and down, then minutes. And once you're done, tap on the check mark. Next, we can select the days on which the alarm is gonna be active, and you can check them by tapping on the boxes next to them. And once you're done, tap on OK. And right here we have our alarm. We can add new one if you want to, like that. And you can also enable them or disable them by tapping on the switch next to them. And if you want to edit the alarm, simply tap on it, and now we can edit it. We can tap on time to change the time. We can tap on days or repeat option to select the days. And we can tap on the alarm name. Oh, we can't change it. So basically, that's about it. Oh, you can also remove the alarm. So if you want to remove the alarm, tap on it, then tap on delete, tap on check mark to confirm. And once you're done, you can press the crown button to go back to watch face. And that's how you set up the alarm clock on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.